Hello friends, this is yet another episode. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing and configuration of Apple's latest iWatch Series 4. Apple's iWatch Series 4 is a revolution. Believe me or not, it's one of the best smartwatch available as of today. So it comes with two variants, a 44 and 40 and also with a cellular and a GPS option. So what I'm going to have today for you guys is the GPS one. So I'm going to show you not only the unboxing process, but I'm going to show you how we can pair the iWatch to the iPhone. So I have my iPhone X here and a newly purchased iWatch. So you can see the packaging is quite niche. It's bigger than its predecessor. You can see some content here written, see declarations, and it's quite nice to watch too. So you just need to now unpeel this. So let's do that first. Quite nice packaging, I must say. All right. Okay. And all right. Wow, ta-da! So it has got a good design. All right, it's quite nice. So you can see that there are now two boxes inside. This one is what contains the iWatch, and then this is an additional wrist. Okay, so I'm going to open the iWatch first. Okay, cool. Right, so what we have here, okay, this is the user manual, I guess. Okay, so which is quite nice, quite unique, right? Okay, so the pairing process is going to be very easy, I guess, because it has only shown 3 steps here. So it's going to be very unique, very easy. And this is the watch unit. It comes with a nice, pouch, so we can actually keep it inside. So let me just get this out of the pouch now, and you can see, quite nice. So this is 44 version, and you can see the size of this iWatch is quite good, quite big. It's gonna shadow down my earlier Android watch, so quite nice. Let me open the stripe. I think we have the stripes here. Okay, I love the packaging. The packaging is quite good. Okay, very nice. Okay, so let's see what the packaging contains. So it has got a watch unit. Just slide it across, and you see a beautiful 44 Apple iWatch Series 4 coming out of it. Skip it. And then we have a charging cable, which also has a wireless charging unit. So let's slide it out. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so you can just the easy thing is that you can just plug it to your computer and you can charge your iWatch. That's quite easy to do. And also it has a charger, so you can even hook your charging cable to a charger and charge your iWatch. Right, so now let's see, let's now put the iWatch to the stripes. So we got, it comes with one strip now. Okay, hooking the strip to the iWatch is quite fun, so quite easy to do. So you just need to slide across this, in the slot. Okay, that's done. And then this one here. Okay. All right. So cut. Okay. So now let's start the pairing process, installation process. So here's it's my iWatch Series 4 and iPhone X, right? So let me start first iWatch. So there is a power button to the side of it. Let's press it for some time until it powers on. And here's the beautiful Apple logo. And meanwhile, let's start the iWatch. The iWatch application comes pre-installed in the iPhones, so you can just open the application. Okay. So press the starting button and then scan the. Okay, iWatch is paired, and because I wear it on the left side, so let me configure for left. Okay, so there are some terms and conditions. Agree to it. You can see meanwhile that it is showing 44 mm aluminum case and designed by Apple in California. Okay, so that's done. So there are a couple of options now we can enable. So let me enable the route tracking anyways. And then there is a shared setting. So you can see that it is asking for setting the preferences for location services, Find My iPhone, Siri, and analytics. I just press OK, because there is no other option. I can also create a passcode, or I can just pass it on for the time being and then I can set it later. So I'm not going to set up passcode right now. So I'm going to say don't add passcode. And then there are some couple of optional inputs given. So I can set up an activity, or I can just keep it. I think I can just set up an activity. So you can see there's then pre-listed information about me. And I just continue it, and I can set the daily goals. For example, I want to lose 300 calories, so it is a lightweightly, or I can moderately burn 560 calories, or if I want to take a challenge, high challenge, I can set 830. For the time being, as I'm a very moderate guy, I'll set 560 calories and I set my goal. And now it's asking me to check the heart health status, so I just say continue. So what iWatch actually does is it checks the heart rate at every pre-interval time regularly and synchronize that data with your iPhone. Emergency SOS, I am going to enable that as well, and then it lists down if I can install the available applications. I'm going to choose install all. I can also choose install later, but it's always good to do it at first. So now what is essentially doing is it's synchronizing the Apple iWatch with my iPhone and installing some applications in the background. Okay, so now the installation process is completed, and you can see that the iWatch is asking us to press the button to return to the iWatch face. So I'm going to press this. Okay, and it is asking to restart. So I'm just going to say restart. It will take a while now until the iWatch is fully set up and comes back to life. Okay, so now the iWatch is completely configured, and you can see the home screen shows the watch, the date, right? And to access the applications, just press the button and you are there with all the applications. For example, the calendar, it notifies me of no event today. Okay. My wallet, cool, right? So it shows me my wallet information. Cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. For more such videos on new products, latest technology, please visit our website and our blog. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting videos. Thank you.